Welcome to Taposhi Educational Tutorial. Dear student, here I bring a new algebra chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. In this chapter, we will learn solving the linear equation in one variable in contextual problem involving multiplication, division, word problems. Dear student, we are now familiar with algebraic expression and their operation, correct? So any algebraic expression becomes an equation when its contains an equal to sign. In other words, an equation is a statement of equality involving one or more unknown variable. For example, 4x plus 3 is equal to 9, 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. These are the equation. Now we understand linear equation. A linear equation is an equation involving only linear polynomials where the highest power of the variable is 1. For example, 5x plus 4 is equal to 3. Ax plus by is equal to c. These are linear equation. Now we understand the linear equation in one variable. An equation of the first degree, that is linear, involving only one variable is called linear equation in one variable. For example, 3x minus 6 is equal to 11. The another example like a 3x minus 5 is equal to 10. These are the linear equation in one variable. Now dear student, we understand how to solve the linear equation. Here we follow some rules to solve an equation, correct? So here first we remember the same quantity can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality. Number 2, the same quantity can be subtracted from the both sides of an equation without changing the equality. Number 3 point, both sides of an equation may be multiplied by the same non-zero numbers without changing the equality. Number 4, both sides of an equation may be divided by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. Correct. Solving linear equation having the variable on both sides by the transposition method. In the case where an equation consists of variable terms and numbers on both sides of equality, the method of solving involves transposition or shifting of variables terms on one side and numerals on the others. So what is transposition? Any terms of an equation may be taken from one side to the other with a change in its sign. This does not affect the equality of the statement. This process is known as transposition. So, some step that we follow to solve the linear equation by transposition method. Step number 1, identify the variable terms and the numerals. Step 2, simplify the left hand side and the right hand side. Step number 3, transpose variable terms to the left hand side and the numerals to the right hand side. Step number 4, simplify the transpose left hand side and right hand side and reduce each side to a single term. Step number 5. Divide both the side by the coefficient of the variable on the left hand side. Now we understand this method by solving some mathematical problems. Hope you will be enjoy this video. In this video, student, I will solve this linear equation, one variable. So how to solve these mathematical problems? Here it is says that solve the following equation and check your answer. So this is a left hand side and this is the right hand side. So we first write so here we write x plus 5, correct, is equal to 9. Now how to solve this? So we subtracted 5 from the both side. Subtract 5 from both side. So both side we subtract, so then we write here x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5, correct. Then it will become x is equal to 4. Therefore the value of x is equal to 4, correct. Now check the answer. So how to check this answer? So we write left hand side x plus 5 is there, correct. So here we put value of x, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, correct. And right hand side here 9 is there. Okay, so since we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side, correct. This is the correct answer. So thus the rules for valence are also true for an equation. By adding or subtracting equation quantities to both sides of an equation, the equation does not change. I hope student these mathematical problems here I solved you understand easily. Now dear student, another mathematical problem that to solve here, same method by the rules of addition or subtracting the equal quantities to the both side of an equation. So here it is the left hand side and it is the right hand side, correct. So here we write the expression of equation x plus 3 is equal to 6, correct. So here we subtract 3 from both sides. So x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 3, correct. Implies that x is equal to this one 3, because x plus 3 minus 3 is cancelled. So therefore the value of x is equal to 3, correct. Now same way we check the answer. So left hand side, it is x plus 3 is given. So here we put the value of x is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. That is right hand side is equal to 6. Therefore, we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so in this way that we solve the algebraic one variable equation. Correct? I hope you understood all these mathematics problems. My dear student, here we solve the another mathematic problems, that is here given x minus 5 is equal to 7. So this one left hand side and right hand side. So here it is given x minus 5 is equal to 7. Correct? Same. So add, we add, we add plus 5 in both side. Correct? So what we will get? We will get, here it is x minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 7 plus 5. Correct? Implies that this one cancel. So we write x is equal to 12. Correct? Therefore, therefore, therefore the value of x is equal to 12. Correct? Now checking the value of x to put the equation left hand side. So here we write x minus 5 is equal to, this one value of x is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, that is right hand side. Therefore we can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is proved. Correct? So x is equal to 12 does satisfy this equation. Correct? My dear student, here I bring the another mathematical problem, that is x plus 2y5 is equal to 3. So same method that we will follow, then we solve this mathematical problem. This one left hand side and this one right hand side. Now we follow. So we first we write the x plus 2y5 is equal to 3. Now subtract minus 2 by 5 in both sides. Correct? So here we write this equation x plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 minus 2 by 5. Implies that this one x 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 cancel, then x is equal to the LCM, this one 5, so here it is 15 minus 2. Therefore the value of x is equal to this one 13 by 5. Correct? Now check the result. Checking. So here we put the value of x in left hand side. That is here x plus 2 by 5. Now putting the value of x, that is 13 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Then LCM will be 5. Then this one 13 plus 2 is equal to 15 by 5. So we make them lowest term, that is 5 3 ja 15 is equal to 3. So therefore therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so this value of x is equal to 13 by 5 is satisfy this equation. Okay, I hope you understand very well these mathematic problems.